live from the Khan market. Today I'm standing in the front of the famous bookstore Fakir Chand, where people from all the corner of the capital states come for the reader's experience. Now let's talk to the people around about the reading culture in Delhi.
My name is Dia Saraswat.
Alright, what do you think about the reading culture in Delhi right now?
Okay, the reading culture in Delhi, I believe, has actually become very enriched with the new kind of actually awareness that is in growing. Also because of like how technically India is becoming more advanced. So basically, electronic books and इन सब की वजह से like how people are actually becoming more intrigued towards like anime हो गया या कोई भी books हो गई. तो बहुत सारे genres जो है अभी निकल के आ रहे हैं. तो I believe reading culture India का and specifically Delhi का is headed towards a good way.
Okay, so what kind of genre do you prefer right now?
Okay, for me, like I've always been a fan of non-fiction. Like I really like books based on, लेकिन mythology मुझे बहुत पसंद है. ठीक है, तो non-fiction में जैसे I really like देवदत्त पटनायक हो गए mythology में, and then non-fiction में like David Goggins हो गए और self-help books हो गए. आजकल मुझे उन सब में बहुत ज़्यादा interest आ रहा है.
So, like, what your views on the Bookstagram things which are going on now?
Instagram things, I'm not aware of that.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you.
My name is Majid Paul Chaudhary.
Alright, so I wanted to know that what do you think like people are now preferring towards the e-books rather than having the physical copies. So like what's your opinion on that?
Yeah, I mean, I kind of have a split opinion on that. Ebooks are easy to carry around, can have multiple ebooks on a small phone or a tablet, but then for me, it's the smell of a new book. Like whenever I open it, that is itself is an experience, and then of course reading the book. There's another fact which I particularly feel like coming to bookstores like this is you kind of find books which you would otherwise not have found when you haven't gone online, because what happens in online is the books which people read more, they rank higher and you are more likely to only read those. When you come to bookstores like this, you get a larger experience.
Okay, so are you aware about the concept of Bookstagram, like basically the books which are going trending on Instagram?
No, I have not.
We are at Midland Bookstore in Hoskas. Let's talk to the owner of the shop.
My name is Tausif Mirza, and yes, my name is Tausif Mirza.
Okay, so I'm Varsha. I've already
Yes.
told you. So I just want to know what you think about the reading culture in Delhi right now.
Reading culture in Delhi is growing. I mean, for sure, and then we are seeing this growth specifically post pandemic. So yes, reading culture is growing, and it's going to be here. I mean, it's going to be on a upscale only.
So like there now people are morely inclined towards Kindle and Wattpad. So does it impact the real book
See,
reading?
it took a time to have that understanding among people and general view that bookstores are an experience. Walking into a bookstore is an experience, and what you do online, it's basically it's a specific title you look for, and it's more a transaction than an experience. So I think that clarity. I mean, a lot of people have got that clarity mindset that yes, this is bookstores are here to stay, unlike anything else.
So like which books, like which genres books people mostly prefer?
Genre is a diverse genre, and I mean this is not specific category of genre we used to see 20 years past. So like rom-com and young adult have a huge range now that we are seeing a new genre of books. And fiction, non-fiction, these are subcategories. Then from categories there are also subcategories that have evolved through time. So that is yes.
Yeah.
That is
So
it.
like if we want to cater specifically to Gen Z, so like
Gen
do you
Z.
have any idea like which kind of books like Gen Z prefers right now?
Okay. Gen Z.
The
Gen
the new generation.
Yes, yes, I
basically.
understood. What I'm just trying to process like Gen Z. Okay, so they read more, philosophy and what Midland see them reading. I mean, obviously, every bookstore have their own database on what people Gen Z are reading. So they are into more non-fiction, and yes, I mean they are into more self-help books. management and all those, like Atomic Habits and all those, like they want to self-improvement kind of.
Would you think that book talk बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड हो रहा है, तो would you think that book talk affects the way Gen Zs prefer their genre?
Book talks.
जैसे bookstagrams और book talks जो होते हैं ना, all of this.
Yes, I mean that plays a role. That plays a role. But yes, मतलब our curation and our picking up titles, what we want to offer, that doesn't play that much role. Yes, I mean if anybody comes with a listening to any podcast or talk show, they come with specific book. We always have that because they normally talk. This talks and all those things are normally on a bestsellers that usually have like booming sales. So those kind of things. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
This is Varsha Rao with the camera person Pragya Joshi. Thank you for watching BCJ News.